How to restart audio driver in Windows 11 or 10. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So for that, first thing you can do is you may just go ahead and open up your desktop and open up your settings. And then once you open up your settings, you may go ahead and from the settings locate up the option called update and security and open it up. And then once you open up update and security, you need to look out for the troubleshoot option. This and open it up. And from here, look for additional troubleshooters and look for playing audio and run the troubleshooter for playing audio. And then it should detect the problems and solve the issue that is regarding with your computer. So just go ahead and look out for this and click on next and follow the instructions in order to resolve the issue or restart your audio driver. Once it is completed, you may head over to your device manager of your computer. Open it up. And then once you open up device manager, look for audio, sound, video, and game controllers and look for your audio device. And you may disable and enable this audio device. So right click on your audio device and then you may look for disable properties. Directly go over to properties or directly go over to disable option. First of all, you need to do is click on disable and click on OK. After that, click on enable again and click on OK. And then restart your device and that's it. So you may follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.